Holy moly, bloodbath. Crypto is down. Bitcoin's down almost 20% over the past 1.5 days. In today's video, I want to tell you what happened and what should you be doing. Have fun. Welcome to today's video. My name is Julian. My channel is all about making you crypto fit, discuss the beautiful world of decentralization, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, most of all Bitcoin. And Bitcoin completely had a setback, and with that, pretty much all the altcoins, Bitcoin's been gaining dramatically in dominance. So what happened and what should you be doing? Well, there's more selling than buying, and you should be hodling. Thanks so much for today's video. See you next time. Bye-bye. Just kidding. Of course, I'm gonna give you more, but this is actually the gist of it. The gist of it is, guys, this is totally normal. Let's do some screen share. Give me a second. So, screen share. Yes, I know markets are totally down, and I know it's a bloodbath. I totally get it. And especially if you're new or maybe you went in with leverage. Hint, please don't go in with leverage. Then welcome to crypto, right? 20 to 30% are totally normal as a setback. So really, this is totally normal. And yes, we're cracking at the 48,000. And yes, I know many of the other YouTubers told you to buy at whatever, 50,000. I'm telling you, you can buy and you should buy the dip, but don't see this on a day-to-day basis, right? If in doubt, zoom out. This is a daily chart since not exactly the beginning of the year. So this is kind of a year-to-date chart, right? So we're going from here. We were at the beginning of the year, at like, let's say 30,000. So we're up, I don't know, 50, 60, 70% year-to-date. We've had these candles here, Elon Musk candle, the Tesla candle. Yes, okay, so there was a dip down now to 48,000. But the thing here is, right, this is the same thing that happened here January. We also had this peak here at January 9th. We had a dip down. Okay, same thing. The thing that would surprise me totally would be that we are seeing a 40, 50% dip. The dip might go further. We might see a 30% dip. Don't totally write this off. A 30% dip would be around 20,000, right? So that means we would dip down all the way here to the bottom here of the Tesla candle, right? So 40,000. I think that is still a very reasonable actual correction. So just keep this in mind. Keep in mind that this is way more than possible. This shouldn't be super surprising. And I think that's really relevant in any of those things that you're doing. Again, I'm not a chart technician. I'm not a short-term trader. I use any of those weaknesses to always buy the dip. I always do this. I do this mostly with Bitcoin and DeFi chain. I do this with Ethereum. To be honest, I don't buy that much of a dip. I've been hodling Ethereum for a super long time. I like Ethereum. I just don't use it that much to buy the dip. For me, it's more Bitcoin and DeFi chain. But it's going to apply to any of the coins that you like, right? So look, for me, it's very simple. I'm a simple man. I have favorited my top 3 holdings. This is where the majority of my funds are in. It's that simple. And you can do the same thing. And then it depends. And if you like the coin and the coin is down, let's say you like XRP, the coin is down minus 21%, why wouldn't you buy the dip? You like BNB, buy the freaking dip. The same thing on all those things. Oh, BNB actually lost spot number 3 now to Tether, of course, because Tether been basically gaining 19%. Sure. It's the same thing, right? And you will see this over and over and over and over again. Yes, you won't see those super large kind of dips as a whole, but look, this March 2020, the super dip down, right? Remember that. That was a dip from like 10,000 down to 4,000. So, key thing, right? This was the October dip, 2019. You can keep scrolling. If you go back to 2017, right? That's also really nice as a bit of a reminder, right? So that's the 2017 here. As soon as you go in, On the run up here, June, whoop. People tend to forget that, right? We were up at what? Here, we were up at 3,000, dipped down to under 2,000, right? So that's like a 33% dip down. So just understand that. That's totally normal. People tend to forget that. That was at the beginning of 2017. We went from 1,150 down to 750, right? So this happens over and over again. I mean, these candles in absolutes, obviously, way smaller than today, but also we were at like roughly 1,000. Now we are 50 times higher, right? So candles can be 50 times longer. It's no difference. So just stay cool. Don't panic. Don't freak out. Really, it's like super straightforward. Yeah, and I truly mean that. I am literally not even caring one bit. I actually bought some more. I'm super happy about it, and I see this long term. I think it's fantastic. Great discount, and that's how it is. So, yeah, super stay cool, stay relaxed, everyone, and then, just go out, play in the snow, or play in the dirt if you're in Singapore or in the heat. Cool. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.